If you have a line of credit with CIBC and you're not sure how to pay it back using the app, this video will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a payment in less than a minute. Start by opening the CIBC mobile banking app on your phone and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main account dashboard where all your accounts are listed. Scroll through your accounts until you find your line of credit account. Tap on it to open the details. This is where you can see your balance and recent activity. Just make sure you're selecting the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts with CIBC. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. Tap on that to bring up more options. This is where a lot of people get stuck because it's not always obvious. But this is the button you need for making payments. From the menu that appears, tap on Transfer Funds. This is the option you'll use to move money from one account to another. Now you'll set up your payment. Start by entering the amount you want to pay toward your line of credit. Under the From section, choose the account you're paying from. For most people, this will be a checking or savings account. Under the To section, select your line of credit account. You'll also see options to choose the date and how often you want the payment to happen. If you want to stay consistent, you can set this up as a recurring payment so you don't forget. That's a simple way to avoid interest building up. Once everything looks correct, tap Next at the bottom. On the next screen, you'll see a confirmation of your transfer. Double-check the amount and accounts, then complete the transfer. If you're paying from a CIBC checking or savings account, the payment usually goes through instantly, which means your line of credit balance updates right away. One thing to watch for is selecting the wrong From account, especially if you have multiple accounts. That's it. That's how you repay your line of credit using the CIBC app. If this helped you out, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this.